how to check the version of your operating system on your Mac. Simply head to the top left, click on the Apple logo and select About this Mac. There will be a pop-up where you can see macOS. As you can see, my version that's 26.3. If you click on it, you can have even more details. Also, one more thing to kind of check why we are already here, it's your chipset. In my case, that's Apple M3, that's Apple Silicon. Some people are still on Intel, so that's something that's also important whenever you are checking that you can install certain software. Your macOS version, that's here, and your chipset, that's here. It will be Apple M1, 2, 3, 4, that's Apple Silicon, or maybe the old one, that's Intel base. Alright, I hope this was helpful. I will see you in the next one.